Hello everyone, this is lesson number 72, and let's continue. We only have two chapters, this lesson and two chapters, so we close to finish HSK 4 and HSK 5. We will have many lessons with many words, so be ready for it, and will be much harder. But I think you will still, no problem for you. Next, let's repeat our words. 密码 password 信息 information message 危险 dangerous 交通 transport 付款 to pay sum of money 功能 function next one 功能 function 降落 to land 活 popular or fashionable 作者 author 技术 technology skill 是否 whether or not 秒 second 方式 way style 受不了 cannot stand 日记 diary 安全 safe security and safety 允许 to permit to allow 允许做 to measure word for some build bridge cities 桥 bridge 接着 to continue afterwards 警察 policeman 抓 to arrest 咸 salty 矿泉水 mineral water 矿泉水 and the first one for today is to cite to enumerate. Let's see. He cited a few examples to explain the issue. 他举了几个例子来说明问题。So 他举了 he cited, enumerated 几个例子 a few examples 几个例子 example 来 here is 来 for 为了for something 为了说明问题 for explain 说明 to speak clearly or to explain 问题他举了几个例子来说明问题 Please enumerate the Asian countries you know 请举出你知道的亚洲国家 Please 举出 to enumerate true is like to speak loudly you can say to enumerate 你知道的 you know 你知道的亚洲国家 Asian country 亚洲 Asia 所以请举出你知道的亚洲国家 Next one 迷路 to lose one way 路 it's a way me it's not to lose it's let's see mystery junkie crush so together it's milu to lose to get lost go astray I got lost in the forest 我在森林里迷路了我在 I am at 森林 in the forest 迷路了get lost so 森林里 inside of the forest 我在森林里迷路了 If you lose your way, you can ask the police. 如果你迷路了，可以问警察。如果你迷路了 if you lost, 你迷路了，可以 you can when to ask 警察 police. 如果你迷路了，可以问警察 police. Next one, address. 地址 Let's see. Please tell me your home address. 请告诉我你的家庭地址。请 please 告诉谁？告诉我谁名？你的家庭 your home or your family your home 家庭地址 your home address。请告诉我你的家庭的 or just without the, also could be with the. 价金记者. But remember, this one is not the, because sometimes we read it like the. Here is 记者. I wrote the address on the envelope. 我把地址写在信封上了。So I take 我把 I take address 地址 and write it on an envelope. 写在信封上，信封 it's envelope 信封上了。我把地址写在信封上了。So you can say I take address, or just I wrote the address on the envelope. Or I take address and wrote it on the envelope. Next one, 地点 place. So this one address, but this one place. The place for the meeting is conference room on the third floor. 会议的地点在3楼会议室。会议的地点 So the place for the meeting, 会议的地点 Place for the meeting 在3楼 on the third floor. 会议室会议室 conference room. So 会议 the conference 室 is like room. So the place for the meeting is the conference room on the third floor. 会议的地点 place of the meeting 在3楼 on the third floor. 会议室 conference room. This place is great for picnic. 这个地点很适合野餐。这个地点 this place 很适合 very suit very fit for what? For 野餐 wild dinner you can say wild meal 野餐。这个地点很适合野餐。Next one 世纪 century 世纪。The 21st century is the era of technology. 21世纪是科技的时代。So 21世纪 21st century 是科技 technology. You can say science and technology. 科 science technology. 科技的时代。是 it's like time, 代 it's like generation, but together it's just time epoch period. So the 21st century is the era of technology. 21世纪是科技的时代。This bridge was built in the early 20th century. 20th century. 这座桥 so major word for bridge. 这座桥建to build 与 you can say 与 like in 20世纪初 in the beginning early 这个初 shows that in the beginning of something. Let's see. 对 let's see. Be built in followed by the year or location. So 这个建于 something. Because 建 is to build, you is like from, at. You has a lot of meaning. 这座桥建于20世纪初 at the beginning of 20th century. Next one, 邮局 post office. Let's see. I went to the post office to mail a letter. 我去邮局寄了一封信。So because 寄 is to mail, 封 is a major word for letters. 一封信 you can say 一个信 or 一封信。我去邮局寄了 and sent 一封信。Let's see 寄 right to send to address to deliver. The post office is only one kilometer from my house. 邮局离我家只有1公里。邮局 the post office 离我家 from my home 只有 only has 1公里 1 kilometer. So the post office is only 1 kilometer from my home. Kilometer. 邮局离我家只有1公里。Next one, show. Show has a lot of meanings, but used to accept, to receive. I received your email. 我收到了你的电子邮件。So 邮件 is the same yo as here, or post office, but 件 is like mail. So 邮件 is mail, but 电子 electronic, so or email. 电子邮件。我收到了 I received 你的电子邮件。Please accept and keep your luggage safe. 请收好你的行李。And keep your luggage safe. Interesting. 请收好你的。I think 收好 is a interesting word. Please pack your luggage. Right, to keep on yourself. 剪好就收。And on a good note. 见好就收。Stowed gather up. Okay. So 请收好你的行李。Keep your accept and keep your safe. Keep your luggage safe. Interesting. 收好。Next one, 信封 envelope. Let's see. Oh, let me see. What does it mean? Feng, a measure word. Also interesting. Also could be 信封, the same feng here, but just for envelope. Interesting. I need an envelope to mail the letter. 我需要一个信封来寄信。So I need. So I require. I need 一个信封 one envelope 来 for here's like for 为了寄信 to send a letter. 我需要一个信封来寄信。The address is already written on the envelope. 信封上 on the envelope 已经 already 写好了 wrote down 地址 address. So 写 to write how it's here's like shows a good result of writing. So finished with a good with success. The address is already written on the envelope. 信封上已经写好了地址。And last one, 网站。网 it's a net. 站 it's like stop, web stop or website. This website provides free learning resources. 这个网站提供 provide 免费的学习资源。这个网站 this website 提供 provide 免费 free out of charge 学习资源 resources。So 这个网站提供免费的学习资源。I often browse news websites. 我经常浏览新闻网站。我经常 I often 浏览 browse 浏览 browse view navigate 浏览器 web browser 浏览网页网站。 Number of times that inline photo has been clicked and viewed. 浏览次数. So I often browse news websites. 我经常浏览新闻网站 news website 新闻网站 and quickly repeats what we learned today. 举 to cite to enumerate 迷路 to lose one's ways to lost get lost 地址 address 地点 place 设计 center 邮局 post office 收 to accept to receive 信封 envelope 网站 website and we also will have one new idiom for today. Last time we learned 掩耳盗铃掩耳盗铃 to deceive oneself. Today is a new one. To hit two birds with one arrow. 一箭双雕. I think it's pretty easy to explain and we have the same in English and any other language. This idiom means achieving two goals with a single action, like hitting two birds with one arrow. 一 one 箭 arrow symbolizing action, 双 two or double, 雕 bird representing goals. But 本来是雕这个是 carving carve right eagle berkut. Let's see. This plan hits two birds with one arrow, saving money and being eco-friendly. 这个计划一箭双雕，计 and here's 计 and 省钱 save money 省钱有 as same as 环保eco-friendly or protect environment. 这个计划一箭双雕，既省钱又环保，一箭双雕。Also, one tongue twister. Last time it was 风风风风，风 to sue, 风 crazy, 风 be, 风风风风。Today's a new one. On the bones, all the drum. 咕咕咕咕，咕 aunt, 咕 bone, 咕 wole, 咕 drum. So, but this one is second one, right? Goo 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 goo, goo 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 goo, goo 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 goo. So see you in the next one.